3, 2, 1. What's up, guys? We're out here at Lake Charlotte. We're gonna go find a nice grove of trees in this cypress forest, and we're gonna see if we can't go do a little bit of camping. Bennett's Instagram followers are gonna be super psyched to see all the footage he's grabbing for them. Ready to roll, Bennett?
Yes, sir.
All right, that was a really good shot. Those are the moments that I bring my camera for, man. That was cool. We're taking off a little later than I wanted to, but we ran into some traffic trying to get out here. Gosh, there are fish just taking off all over the place. Bennett just pointed out that we've got a full moon tonight, which means all of the animals are gonna be stirring about. It's hopefully gonna make for some pretty cool night scenery. So basically, we're paddling into a swamp and it's a full moon. That's how most scary movies start, right? I'm gonna follow Bennett into this little area. If you just wrap it above that one. That's right. Good question. Well, we got here a little bit late in the day and the tensile's a little saggy. I think we ultimately decided we're just gonna go do a little cowboy camp. There's an island out there, you can't really see it, but we'll be able to have like a bonfire and whatnot, so it kind of stinks because it's a little bit of a defeat. And the mosquitoes are starting to attack. It's miserable, so time to pack her up. We still found a really cool beach spot. So we're setting up camp right now. We got Bennett back there in his hammock.
I'm putting my mummy bag into my tent without the poles inside of my hammock. And so it's basically a mosquito netting, just one step ahead of them right now. But this is gonna save me in the middle of the night, keep my face free of spiders and things like that.
Now we're just building our fire to do a little bit of sausage cooking. You know, it looks like a sunrise or a sunset, but it's really just the city of Houston, which is pretty insane. It's actually kind of beautiful though. And we have our nice setup here, which is way cool.
Now we're camping.
This is the way to wake up. Look at that view.
Oh, the days we were slaves to the years.
You know, I think I'm sold on the tinsel. And you're in like a sky lobby 8 feet above the ground, which is pretty cool. The sun finally broke through all the clouds, so I'm going to show you guys around camp a little bit, give you the sights and the sounds of where we got to sleep last night.
Daylight, we can hitchhike to Maine. I hope that someday I'll see without these frames. And in the daylight, I don't pick up my phone, 'cause in the daylight, anywhere feels like home.
All right, now that we've got a bunch of good shots, do you think you could try and belly flop on some of these cypress roots and see how it turns out?
Okay, ready?
Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Guys, thanks for joining in on another trip. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you guys want to check out some more videos, we got a bunch more on the page. We'll catch you later. See ya. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Nice one.
Another good trip in the books.
Hell yeah.
See you guys.